Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass, traction control. Come see the car for yourself.